It was quite a scuff, wasn't it? I'm pretty sure that was it was scuffy start. Didn't really expect it to be, but here we are. Here we are. I didn't expect a scuff, but yeah, we had a scuff. We had a scuff. Quite a nice scuff to start a chill stream out. Quite a nice scuff to start the chill stream out. Like wow. Like wow. I really did not expect a scuff, but here we are. Here we are. Hello there. Welcome to the scuff week. Welcome to the scuff weekend. Yeah, we go. I think we're pretty good. Yeah, I think I have my chat back. There we go. Yeah, the chat's back. Wonderful, wonderful. Is my mic on? Yeah, it's on. Nice, nice. I'm just setting up. I'll be there in a moment. Just need to ensure that there's not any more scuff now. Just to ensure that there's not any more scuff. So, how's everybody doing? How's your day's been? How's your life been? In case you're wondering where the preview is, there's no preview today because it's just chatting. We don't have previews. I think I should put up a preview for just chatting. I do have clips that are taken from just chatting, so that's that. I should definitely try that. This is some good music. Yes, this is the chill vibe where we chill to the music. This is such a nice one. Alright, I forgot I need to change my eyes. Just a moment. Let me go. There we go. Okay, there we go. Looks good. Probably. Let me just I think I'm pretty good. Probably. Maybe. Who knows? Only I know. At least right now. Then everybody will know. But anyways, how's everybody doing? How's your life been? As usual, I am a bit invisible, but I'm not invisible anymore. I'm speed now. Okay, what happened to my throat over there? I'm a speed now. Yes, how are you all doing on this fine day? Wait, did I just turn myself on time? Wow. That's a very timing that I did not expect there would be time, but I am on time. Which is nice. So let me just ensure that everything is done, and yeah, this is pretty much the first time in a while where I've actually had a true scuff. Yeah, this is like probably the first time in a long while where I actually had a true scuff, where it is an actual scuff and not some kind of a glitch or something. Yeah, I didn't expect that, but it ended up happening. Because I overlooked just one thing. I ended up overlooking just one thing, and it ended up happening. Anyways, here we are on this fine Saturday where we are chilling right now, at least. Right now we're just chilling, and then we'll not be chilling. Yes. Then we'll not be chilling because we'll be working. On stuff. I'll be taking some look into things. In case you're wondering what things we will be taking a look at, we'll be taking a look at two apps. Yeah, calling them apps is better than calling them applications, because application sounds like it's some kind of a form, but no, it's an app. There's a new screenshot app for those who have 3D model, especially VRM model, and there's also BeepoBox. So we'll be taking a look at it. BeepoBox is still in development, so there are some features that I want. It is not there, but regardless, I'll be taking a look at it. I'll be trying it out. This will be my first look at it. Yeah, this will pretty much be my first look at it. And then we'll be working on some redeems, probably some jokes and some things for triggers and all not. Because why not? I have some ideas and I want to bring them to life today. I want to bring them to life and implement some new stuff, including for something for the music, because I came across something and I definitely want to try that out. Let me just drink some more water. It sure is a bit of a humid day today. It's a bit of a humid day. Quite the humid day. Yes. But first, what's the music playing? Let me just check, because I forgot to check this. Yes, as I said, today I'm the master of stop. No, that's the wrong one. Wait, what's that? Wait, huh? Is this the one? That is the one. What was that then? Huh? What was that before this? I don't know what that was. That popped up. Okay. I guess it... Oh, wait. Did it capture my browser for a moment there? Yeah, it did. Let me just try that once more. There we go. It's working again. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Nice. So currently the music we are playing is called Baraka? Is that how you pronounce it? By Banati. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that name wrong, but yeah. So let me just boot up the thing up. The thing is... Or shall we look at first? VTuber Plus? Sorry, not VTuber Plus, it's BeepoBox. No, let's go with something cool. Let's go with the screenshot app. We'll keep BeepoBox for the next one. Let's launch the posing app where we can pose and stuff. Let me just get in the thing. Wait, how am I gonna cop? Okay, I guess that works. Oh yeah. All right. Let's go to the scene. No, this is wrong scene. Can I? Okay, that's the wrong one. Holy shit. Okay, there we go. Hello, this is code. The T-pose code. Actually, that's the wrong. Actually, that's the real code over there in the screen. I am not the real code. That's the real code over there. But he's trapped inside that screen, and you can't save him. He's done for. He's done. Now it is I. The code with the code of the code. The old code is gone. This is the new code. He has been replaced. He's been trapped. He can never get out of that thing. He will be forever inside, just as a pose, just as a statue, with no life in him, because the code is no more. What shall you do? You can't do anything, because you can't do anything. But yeah, let me just jump into the game. It's not really game scene, but I mean, it gives you a better view. So does that. It does give you a better view. Wait, does it really give you a better view? Because I'm in the way. That's where this is handy. See, I have it all planned out. See, this is why this thing is handy. Now I can just... Oh. What about this? I think that works. Is it? Does that work? I mean, I am not so sure. No, this is the center. I guess this works. So the other day I was browsing the virtual YouTubers topic on Twitter, and I came across this app, and I decided to check it out. It was interesting, and I have been looking for some more pose applications. In case you don't know, I do actually love taking poses, and I am very satisfied with my current one, which is Pasha. I will definitely recommend checking Pasha out if you have not. If you are looking for the 3D pose to pose your 3D model, it's an absolutely good app. But I still am always looking for something new, and I came across this one, and it's on Steam. So that's that. Plus, if you don't like downloading it from some places like itch.io or whatnot, you can download it from Steam. Although this is of course not free, it is paid, and I believe I have to pay like 200 rupees, right? But I don't know what the actual price of it is without the original currency thing. Yeah, probably maybe $5. I think it is $5. So it boasted that it has a lot of poses, and that caught my eye. I wanted to see what kind of poses we are gonna get, and yeah, here we are. This is where I'm gonna go through all these poses that are available and check it. So, will it be worth it or will it not be worth it? I don't know so far. That is a bit of thing I think that can be fixed. Wait, what? What? Huh? No? I mean, this is a modified VRM avatar, so does that. This is not the default one. My model is completely modified. But if you have not modified yours with Unity and stuff, then I think it will be fine. I think it will probably be fine. Like, you know what? They could. Oh, there's more options now. Hello, Nitin. Hello, Turin. Sorry, I just called you Nitin. Hello, Turin. How are you doing? How's your day been? How's your life been? And once again, welcome back. After 3 weeks. How was your 3 weeks? Were you on a vacation? If it was a vacation, how was your vacation? How are you doing on this day? How are you doing on this fun Saturday? The music is playing? Yes, the music is playing. Wonderful. Let me just actually, you know what? I'm gonna adjust that to be a bit low. Just maybe around here. Yeah, that sounds good. So, this is the app where I can become a pose. Yeah, where I can pose myself. Oh, you had exams. Oh, dang. So you had exams, holy shit. How was your exams? I hope it all went good. This is anti-aliasing. Make sure to always have your anti-aliasing to max. I think it's a good thing. It's a good habit to have anti-aliasing to max, especially when you're trying to do some poses for your screenshots, for your thumbnails, or whatever you want. I mean, I feel like I'm giving a tutorial, but I'm not really giving a tutorial. If anybody actually ever comes across this stream, know that this is a... Well, I guess we can say it a tutorial in a sense. It was pretty good. Nice to hear that it was pretty good. Wonderful to hear that it went well. Absolutely wonderful. So, these are the poses that we get. And yeah, that's a lot of poses. This is just one page. Then we have this page. And we have this page. And there's some weird thing. I kind of wish there was a ability to zoom. Yeah, I really wish there was ability to zoom in this viewer you see here. I can't really zoom and do anything. I can't interact with the thing. I'll have to select it, press OK, and then I can come in. And the other issue is, yeah, to zoom in I had to make use of these sliders, which I'm not really a fan of. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of that. I'm not really a fan of this. Like, yeah, I'm not really that much of a fan of this thing. I mean, it can be changed. Again, this is just my opinion after all. This is just my opinion, to take it with a grain of salt. Oh, how does this work? I am not sure what this does, and I mean, this is definitely seems to be increasing the size of my model. But I'm not sure what is the camera doing. Like, I'm zooming out and I am zooming in, but the zoom, it seems to be different. Like, how does this work? Is this like to focus on something thing? I'm not sure how this does. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Something like this? Yeah, I guess so. I guess this is how it is. You saw WWE 2K22, it's awesome. No, actually I'm not. I don't play WWE so I don't know much about that. But I assume that you played it. I assume you played a game. How is it? What did they add something new? Is it something high? So let's see what is. We have like how many poses do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8, right? So this is 8 into 8. It's what is 8? Is 8 into 8? 64? Yeah, it's 64, isn't it? Wait, how did I just do that math? I don't even remember tables much, but I somehow did a multiplication. What the fuck? So if we have 64 till here, okay, we have like another 64 here, so that's 128 till here, and then we have 8 into 4. What is 4 8s are? 24. So 128 plus 124 is 128 plus 24. 148. 148 plus 152. 153, 154, 155. We have about 155 poses in just this page. And we have about, I think, another 100. Probably another 100 poses in here. That is yeah, there's definitely more poses than what I actually use, which is called Pasha. But here's the thing with Pasha, right? I can customize the poses to however I want it to be. Unlike here, which I don't think I can customize. But if you want default poses without having to be worrying about what you exactly want, I guess this works out. Its graphics are late. You should try it once, you will realize. I used to play WWE back in my childhood, but yeah, I kind of realized it wasn't my thing. FPS is more of my thing, so that's how I kind of know. They added realistic graphics, so ooh, that sounds nice. That sounds nice. So this is the default pose, and then we have this pose. Wait, let me just. Can I come down here? That's my camera. Yeah, does it look good? I think so. I really wish they let me zoom in. Like, there's really no zoom here, which is kind of a bit annoying, especially because I'm used to it. You know, here's a bit of a comparison to my Pasha. Here's a bit of a comparison to my Pasha. Hello, Switchcase. Hello, welcome. How are you doing on this fine day? Yes, it is our Cody. A code, whatever you want to call me. But hello, how are you doing, Switchcase? How's your day been? How's your life been? I'm here looking after some new things, trying out some new apps that have come in, and I'm showcasing it. How are you doing? So this is the app I use. It's called Pasha, and here's the default pose, right? If you go here, you get all these different kinds of poses. But let's go with let's go with this one. This was one of my poses when I was trying to debut back in last year. But here's the pose, right? And if I click on this dot, right here, I hope you guys can see it. If I click on this dot, I can actually move this around. And if I wanted to pose differently, I can do it. Just like so. Like here. Or, well, that broke my eye. That broke my hand. That kind of broke my hand. Well, let's just assume. Okay, maybe like this. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do this like this. So as we can see, oh, that what is with this? It doesn't happen when I'm not doing the streams, but when I do the streams, there's always some kind of a stuff. Okay, there we go. No, okay, stay there. Don't move. Okay, there we go. So I can take a default pose and then modify it to how I want it to look with Pasha, and I get a lot more customizability. But there's not much of a customizability in here. I'm doing pretty fine myself. Thanks for asking. How have you been? I've been doing good. As I just said. Pretty good. We had a... Sorry, I ended up drinking some water. We had a good day. Nice good day. It's not really that hot, but it sure is humid. It sure is humid today. I'm trying out these new apps that we got here. First, well, this is one of the apps. That's the other app that I'm going to be trying out after this is done. But for now, I'm checking this one out. This has poses. These are the default poses that is there. So is this a pose app like for thumbnails and whatnot? Yep. This is a pose app. Both of the even this one is a pose app. This one is a new one. You can, if you have a 3D model, you can make use of this pose app to get a pose that you can make it into a thumbnail. Like if you look into my today's thumbnail, I actually made that. Wait, where was that? I actually made today's thumbnail with one of these poses. Sitting. Where was that? I don't remember. Where? Cross legs? I think it was cross legs. 2, 1. Knee inside, relax. It was one of these. I don't remember which one it was. I think maybe it was this one. Yeah, I think it was this one. So today's pose was made using this type of pose. If you have a 3D model, you can make use of these apps. There are 3 apps. There's Pasha, which has free plus paid version. I use the paid version because it's kind of superior and I like supporting it. It's been my go-to app for pose for the last, since I debuted. So for the last 1 year, it has been my go-to app. Then we have VRM Doll Play. It's a good app. It works. It does its work. But the thing with this is it's a resource hog. I don't know why, but every single time if I want to take a photo in 8K or 4K, which I generally tend to take because I take a big photo and I downscale it to something, and this has a big issue with it. The good thing is that it supports custom VRM. If you have a VRM model that you modified inside a Unity, then you can get it to work in here, get it to do what you want it to. Like, what is the easiest app to learn out of all of this? Out of all of this, I think it will definitely be VRM or this one, VRM Posing Desktop. But I will not be sure if I want to recommend that. I mean, they're all easy in a sense. If I wanted to recommend you to start something without having to waste money, then I would recommend VRM Doll Play. Sure, it has its issues with resource hog when you try to take 4K and 8K images, but if you want to get some, let me just load a model. Wait, let me just load a model. Where's my... Okay, let's go with my old model, 2.0. So, if you want... Wait, I didn't load it, right? Yeah, there we go. So this is this is how the VRM doll plays. If you want, you can tweak it. It is powerful. It is powerful and it has all the features to work with, and it's free. You don't have to pay anything. It's free. You can customize all things. If you have custom expressions, I'm already lagging, aren't I? Yeah, that's the problem with this thing. But let me just turn myself up. Yeah, there we go. If you are seeing this, you see all these separate things in here. These are your custom things, custom blend shapes and whatnot, custom expressions. Here's the fun part. This is the only one I have found so far that actually supports modified VRM, which are basically modified in Unity, and you have your custom expressions in them. So let me just, yeah, here we go. As you can see, this is a custom part of my expression. And this was done through Unity, and you can see it work out here. The same goes for this. We have bold. If we go with my suit change, same. So if you have actually modified a model in Unity and want to use it to make poses without having to have the default model, which you did, then I believe VRM doll play is definitely worth trying out. You can find it in boot. You can search for VRM doll play and you can download that. I definitely recommend trying this one out over anything else, because the others you have to pay. Oh wait, Pasha is a free trial. As well. And Pasha is much better resource wise. The thing with Pasha is that you can't really get what you say, custom VRMs, at least not yet. I'm assuming there will be support, because RIOT did actually add custom expressions, the ones that are for ARKit. you can actually make use of those if you added ER kit, but aside from that you can't. But I personally believe that this is a superior application so far. At least it has been. This new update has allowed you a lot of things. You can even convert 3D. Oh wait, that's a big feature of VRM Doll Play which I forgot to add. VRM Doll Play lets you import GLTF files. If you want to make a pose with a 3D model, say a 3D hat, 3D backpack, something 3D, if you get a GLTF file which you can definitely find in Sketchfab, you can actually import that into VRM Doll Play and do, what do you say, you can import it into VRM Doll Play and make it work with it. Here's let me just get you an example of if you can do that. The program files, where was that? Photo. Okay, here's the one. This is from my old model, but as you can see, the backpack here, is my mouse showing? Yeah, the backpack here and this gun right here is a 3D model, which I took from Sketchfab. Then I imported it into VRM Doll Play and I made them work in VRM Doll Play. Let me just drink some more water. So if you want to bring in props, 3D props and stuff, then yeah, I think I can definitely recommend VRM Doll Play. There's a free version for Pasha as well. I recommend trying both of them out and see which one works for you, depending on it. For me it's Pasha, but I don't think there's anything wrong with VRM Doll Play. It has its features. So yeah, let me just close this. We're back to this one. Yeah, we are back to Pasha, but I was talking about VRM Posing Desktop and I went off track. Yeah, so here we are looking at VRM Posing Desktop. We're looking at VRM Posing Desktop and seeing what kind of poses it has. I hope my answer helped you. Switch case. So these are the poses that you get, but I really don't like that I can't see a 360-degree view of this. It's so annoying. I had to click on this and then I had to do this, and I am not a fan of this. Okay, let's go through the other poses. We have this. I guess this is hugging. I think it would be nice if you could have a name for it, but then again, you don't really have a name for a lot of poses, do you? And the one thing I really don't like is that is the ability to not turn myself out. Like, yeah, that's my biggest annoyance right now. I can't see a 360-degree view. I can't see a 360-degree view in this. Like, I am enjoying this, but I want to see a full how it will look from every side, not just the front. So we have all these poses, a lot of poses. Yes. Oh, this one's a good one. This is a nice pose. I can see myself using that someday. Oh wait, I can use that, but I can't modify it. Oh, that is another issue. So yeah, I hope my answer helped you, Switch case. And here we are. This is a running pose, probably. I don't know what this is supposed to be, but I don't. Okay. This is X-Men. Yeah, this is X-Men. Wolverine. Yeah, it was called Wolverine. I don't remember the X-Men movie. Oh, I just said the Wolverine movie and then I said the X-Men movie. Oof. So yeah, all this. Something bulky. I mean, I do like the poses in this. There are some interesting poses which definitely will not I've seen in the other ones, in the other two. But oh wow, that's a yoga, isn't it? What are you doing here? What do you want? Crane. I guess wait, isn't this the karate pose? I don't know what this is doing. Yeah, what is this? Why is my thumb twisted like that? Why is my thumb twisted like this? What? That's I'm kind of worried about my thumb over there. Is my thumb doing okay? I don't think it's doing okay, is it? Yeah, I don't think it's doing okay. I don't think my thumb's doing okay over there. That's definitely my thumb's suffering over there. So where were we? We have done this. And the other part I don't really like is this bar. For some reason it's the same as the background, which makes it hard to look. Would be nice if there could be distinguishing between white and with a white bar or something like that. Because this really confuses me sometimes. And I think that if it confuses me, that could be possible that other people could also get confused. I mean, it is a work in development application, but I'm just reviewing. Is this a review? I don't know. I'm just covering it as it is. I'm just covering it as it is right now. As it is right now. So we have this. Hello, Soul of Souls. Hello, welcome. How are you doing on this fun Saturday? There is a free posing available from Boot. Yes, it is. You have to work with it and make it work. It is available and it is for free. You can even import 3D model, but if you want something easy, something simple where you don't have to do anything, you just have to go and browse a selection of poses that are available, select it, take a photo and put it in a thumbnail, then you don't really need it, then you can make use of this. Although I'm not sure if I will say it's worth the price yet. I'm not yet. I mean, there is poses so that can definitely make it worth the price, but there are also issues that are not worth the price, like the ability to not be able to. Again, it is an app in development. I'm saying this before and I'll say this again. It will definitely change in a while. This app just came out like I think this month, or was it previous month? So it's still a work in progress app. So it will definitely change, but for the time being, so I'm kind of a mixed. If I had to choose, if I was forced, if there was no other app, or if an app was too complicated, then I think I could see myself using this. It's simple. You have over 300 poses in here. You have 100, you have 120, 150 poses in this single page, and then you have 100 in this page, and then you have another 60-ish poses in this page alone. So that's about 250 to 300 poses. So if you want 300 poses and are comfortable with some of the hassles that are there, then I think it will be worth it. Like, you can just go through it easily, and some poses are definitely nice, like the X-Men one. Where was that? X-Men. This is a fun one because your hand moving. Yes, I do move my hands. Yes, hello. Yes, my hands do actually move. So you have this. What is this supposed to do? I don't know what this is supposed to do. Some of these poses I have really no idea what they are supposed to be doing or what they are supposed to be implying, because I'm a bit confused. I really am confused in some of these poses, but I guess whoever knows what that pose is, then I guess it works for them. I have no idea what he's doing. Is it hide and seek? Yeah, my biggest gripe is that I can't really zoom in or do a 360-degree view on this, which is absolutely annoying unless I click on OK and then I do this. Even then, I don't have a zoom. So that's a bit of an issue that I don't really like. Yet, right now, as it is right now, I just want to say this. If anybody comes across this in future, please, it might have changed in the future. I don't know. I'm just looking at it as it is right now. Was your hand moving? Oh yeah, I read that. Okay, we also had this. And right, what was the pose? What's that face? That's my bot. So we have this. This is a nice pose. I don't know what that is. Okay, that is what some poses. But did I just go to all 100 of them just like that so easily? This was fast. Didn't expect I would be that fast. This is hello. This is I am not really sure. If anybody wants cartoony poses, I guess that works. Yeah, I guess that works. I'm the kind that is serious. I like to have some kind of a serious, realistic based poses rather than cartoony ones. But if cartoon is somebody's thing, then I guess this will work out as well. This is bang? Yeah, I think this is bang. This is the bang, bang, bang. Yeah, some of these are kind of hilarious, almost cartoon-like. So this is end of page 1. Then we have page 2 where it seems to be all actions. Some of these are kind of similar to the other ones that are actually used. Kind of, not exactly 1:1. I mean, they can all take the same reference and base it off that. We have... Okay, this is a nice one. This is an interesting pose. Huh. Okay, I guess I can say it's worth it. If you are for poses, then I definitely think it's worth it for the poses. I think it's $5. If you convert it to local currency, it's going to be somewhere around 200 rupees. Yeah, it's 200 rupees local currency. But if you... I think it's $5 if it's international pricing. Probably worth it. Probably worth it. Yeah, it has a lot of poses. That's a lot of interesting poses. Like, the choice is immense, which is quite commendable. Although there are some features that I don't like and I want, which should eventually pop up. But for the time being, it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, is there Spider-Man? I think I want to take a look at this. Okay, it's not perfect. That kind of hurts. Yeah, if you don't have something like a suit, if you have the same texture across all of your clothes, then I guess that works. But oh my god, is my head okay? I am a bit unsure right now if my head is okay in that pose. If my leg is coming out of my pants, understandable. And my back is like tearing the shirt apart. Okay, understandable, fine. We had One Punch Man, I guess. I don't know what this is. Defense, a kick. This is sword. Superman. Superhero poses. Is that what this is? Yeah, I guess this is what it is. Superhero poses or anime poses. This is a nice one. This is a good one. You can use it if you're playing some melee game or martial art melee game, something like Kung Fu or whatever. Running, and this is the end of page 2. Then we have page 3. Let me just drink some more water. There we go. We are... So these poses, these look... Are they sitting? Yeah, I guess these are like the model poses. The poses models will do. Yeah, that's the... Yeah, it's those kind of poses. Understandable. I like this one. I love this one. Actually, the current thumbnail pose was kind of inspired by this. Although I made use of fascia and I kind of used the sitting position and then I modified it a bit, I believe. Yes, my go-to app is Fascia. I make use of Fascia. It's a good app. Fascia. Yeah, that's the name. It's a good app. It's a very good app. It works. And it's absolutely, I think the best part about it is the optimization. Like, it's really optimized well. It's well optimized. There's barely any lag and I take as big as picture as I want. 15K picture that can display, or that can be displayed on a billboard in some big city. I can take that kind of a photo and I can send that. Of course, they wouldn't display it that big, I think, but yeah, that's possible. 4K, 8K, you name it, you can take it. There's barely any lag. The only lag you'll actually get is when you're taking the screenshot, but aside from that, it works like a charm, as it should. I've been using it since the start and I've been absolute fan of it. Unlike VRM doll play, which I am honestly not fan of, especially because it's a resource hog. If it wasn't a resource hog, I wouldn't mind it. But when you're trying to take a screenshot, when you're trying to take a photo in 4K or 8K, it becomes an absolute lag fest. It takes up so many resources that your computer might probably crash a moment or two later when you are trying to do. And as I said before, I am a fan of taking screenshots in high resolution and then downscaling them onto my thumbnails. Literally every single thumbnail shot that you actually see has been taken in 4K reduced to 1080p. That's how I do things. That's how my procedure is. Let's go with default pose for it. Wait, where is the thing? There we go. Yeah, this is a default pose. You can customize the light and stuff. Of course, it doesn't work on my custom model, so there's that. But that is because of that. Okay, it's because of that. Yeah, it's because of that. So yeah, you can. I don't know what you will want to do with this, but yeah, that works. I guess you can change the light direction and stuff. So yeah, if you want that kind of stuff, this is possible. You have the expressions. This is a nice tweak. When I checked it out 2 days before, you couldn't customize the expression and there was no close-up. There was no close-up. But then an update came out, I think it was yesterday. And now you can, there's a close-up on your face and you can actually see what's happening here. Which is a nice thing. Yeah, this is a nice one. Yeah, actually, you know what? I'll say my opinion will be 75% get this, 25% don't get this. I mean, it is a simple app. It does what you want it to do. Like, it has all the things you would actually want. Wait. It does actually support custom ones? Huh? Wait. They actually now support custom VRM models? The ones from Unity? For real? Let me just do it, disable this. Where is my, I think if I ran oh, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, okay, fine. This is worth it. This is worth the price. You can actually customize this. Not customize, it actually has a support for this. Hello, Soton Zero. Hello, welcome. How are you doing on this fine day? How are you doing? And welcome. Soton. Yes, I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Okay, so this is yeah, this is nice. It actually now has support for custom VRM models which were modified in Unity. That's nice. I would actually say this is worth it then, since this, yeah, it's nice. It is really nice. Like this is really nice. And yes, this is how my clothes actually change. It's just that it's changing in speed. They just changed in speed, but this is kind of how my actual clothes change. This is how my clothes change. So yeah. You can customize this. I would actually like to. I mean, the slider is fine. Slider is fine. You don't really need to have the number thingy where you can input a number and stuff. The slider can do its job. You can also have this. Yeah, it works. yeah, my opinion kind of changed. This is actually pretty good. This is pretty good. Before I actually checked this section, I had not noticed that, because as I said, when I checked it out it was in a different version that was 2 days ago, and it did not have this feature. As I said, there was no zoom in onto your face. You only had a few options, and yeah, that was it. Yeah, you basically had only this option, this face expressions default one, and you had the no zoom in. But now you have these ones. You can zoom in. It zooms into your face, and you can now customize your face very well. That's actually nice. That's actually nice. That's a good update. But that does mean that they're working on it. That's absolutely nice. Oh wait. You can customize your pose. Oh, my bad. So you can customize your pose. Never mind. To anybody who has said it doesn't allow you to do customize your pose, it actually does. Yeah. Let me just go back. Let's go back here. Let's select pose. Okay, let's select this pose, and let's try to get my. Wait, huh? How does that work? Oh, okay, that kind of works. Well, I guess just get a monster. Yeah. I just get a monster. Hello there. Yeah, that just did that. Well, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, but yeah, I just did that. Hello, this is, I don't know what to call this, but yeah, let's call this a masterpiece. Let us call this a masterpiece. Hello there. This is a masterpiece. I created. Oh my god, it's horrifying. You know what happens if I decide to? Oh, you know, man. Oh, hey, I guess I can twist it in very weird ways. Yeah, so my opinion on this has kind of changed, and I will definitely recommend this for the it's worth it. Yeah, it's definitely worth it. And if I try to do this, hello there. Yeah, hello there. So yeah, that's that works out. Totally works out. You can customize the pose, so that is definitely nice. You can actually add a green screen, red screen, white screen, transparent screen, any screen you like that is available in the option, and then you can export it. No, okay, this is the window display thing. This is the display in window. This is a screenshot. You can take it in 3x. Okay, let's export the image. Let's try this. Save as this. Does that work? Okay, how does this do? This is one of the issue I kind of ran in. Yep, it still has the issue. As you can say, when it does the 3x shot, it doesn't really do it in a good resolution. It tries to do an upscale one, which doesn't really work. But if you change the window screen to square, let me just close that. Yeah, hello, this is 2 quotes, but hello, just don't mind this code and look into the screenshot over here. So if we do this, and now if I take a 3x and export that as this, and if I do that, okay, it still has the issue. I still have the issue despite this. What about now? How do I? But it's not 3x. This is not 3x. You want to see how my usual Pasha would take it? Let me just just get this photo. This see, this is what you call 3K 4K. If you go in this one, this is not 3K, this is not 3x the resolution, this is not 3x the resolution, this is 100% right now. This is not 3x. This is not even serious. This is 100 and there's no pixelation in this. You only get pixelation when you try zooming into it. This is in 4K, that too. But this is not in 4K. It's just upscaling it, which I am not sure. I guess I can report it. If I do 2x, will that work? Does having 2x fix it? No, it does not. It does not. Also, it has this weird capture way, where it tries to, where it crops out the white part of this image, which is unfortunate. Wait, where is that? Okay, there we go. Let's go back to 1920 by 1080. This time I'm gonna try to have a green screen. Let's do at 3x. Let's bring it to this. Okay, it still has this issue. This is not 4K resolution. It's not 4K. This is taking it in 1080p and then upscaling it to 4K. This is definitely taking it in 1080p and then upscaling it to 4K resolution. I guess it's a bug. Hopefully it's a bug. Hopefully it's a bug that nobody has noticed. But if you want to take this in 1080p, I took a screenshot. Transparent background. What if you do more transparent background part? This is in 1080. Okay, that looks okay. What if I decide to do 3x again? Did I export it already? I did, right? It was fast. It still has its issue. Wait, I did export this in 3x, right? What is this? Why is it still 1920? That's a bit weird. Am I not taking this? If I do this, no. What if I export this in 2x? It's not taking 1080p for some reason. I mean, it's taking 1080p for some reason. It's not taking it in the... If I disable this, if I enable transparent background and export it in this, it exports it in an upscaled resolution instead of capturing it in that upscaled resolution and then doing it. I'm not sure what's going on in the background, but yeah, that's happening. Well, so that's pretty much it. That covers VRM Posing Desktop. That pretty much covers VRM Posing Desktop. So let me just jump into free talk for a bit. I'm just gonna rest here for a while. Before jumping back in the screen. But yeah, it was a VRM Posing Desktop. If you want it, it's worth it. Let me just drink some more water. I'm a bit thirsty. So what will my opinion be? If you want to capture it in 1080p and don't mind the pixels, but like the library of poses that it has and the ability to be able to customize the pose easily without having to be annoyed by how complicated some of the 3D posing ends up being, it's a good option. It's cheap, it's worth it. But honestly speaking, if I had to say, I would honestly recommend VRM Pose doll play in that sense. I mean, it is free, and you can also import 3D models in it and create a scene. But yeah, VRM doll play will work. It will work. It's a good option, honestly speaking. But if you want a huge pose library, because so far out of every single app that I use, which is VRM doll play, Pasha, and this one, I don't know if there's another one, but this one has the largest pose library. You have about 250 to 300 poses available, and it's easy to customize, so it's pretty much easy for beginners. There's not much of a tinkering around. You can just do it and be done with it and take a screenshot and say, yes, I have done my posting, I can now put it in my thumbnail and I'm done with it. But if you want to do more complicated stuff, then I would definitely recommend checking out Pasha or VRM doll play. Like, I'll definitely recommend VRM doll play. Despite the resource hog it will end up being, but if you are taking it in 1080p resolution, then you don't really have to worry about it. If you're not taking it 1080p resolution, VRM doll play will absolutely cause an issue. It will absolutely cause an issue because it has been doing it. I take the shots in 4K or above, and it absolutely starts lagging. I have to do my work in 1080p, and then I have to go set like 4K to be able to actually screenshot it nicely. So yeah, that was the posing things. That was the posing. That was what today. That was the posing part. Next up, we'll be looking at BeepoBox. We'll be looking at BeepoBox, which is an interactive thing. It's a new app. If you know VTuber Plus, then it's like VTuber Plus, but it's pretty much like VTuber Plus. It's just an alternative to VTuber Plus in a sense. Both of them have their own features, own sets, and I took a look at VTuber Plus 2 weeks ago. If you want to, you can actually check that stream out. I took an in-depth VTuber Plus look, and we looked through things of how VTuber Plus works, what it does, and I liked some features, I did not like some features. And then we have BeepoBox. Of course, it's still in development. Both of these apps are still in development. They have their issues, they have their things. To be honest, every single app I just covered is still in development. Like, is VRM not in development? I'm not sure. Pasha is definitely in development. I mean, it is kind of pretty much like a finished product, but it's still being worked on. There's still being iterations made. And let's see. Let me launch BeepoBox. Where's my BeepoBox? Where's my BeepoBox? BeepoBox just came out earlier this week on 9th, and it's free. If you want something that's free, unlike VTuber Plus is not free, it's $5. It's $5. Oops, that was a very long time to burp. But if you're looking for something free, then I think BeepoBox is a good option. Can I connect this? Okay, mate. That might probably leak my ID. I hope we did not leak anything. Okay, I think there we go. Okay, let me just import. Which one was my 2.4 based on? 2.3 test? 2.3 test 2? I think it was 2.3 test 2. Oh, okay, there we go. Let me just zoom into the scene. So I am pretty sure I had anti-aliasing. Is there no anti-aliasing? Can I zoom in? How do I zoom in? Is there no zoom? I'm pretty sure there was a zoom. Okay. If alt is this, then how do I zoom? Oh. You hold the alt plus right mouse button to be able to zoom in and zoom out. Boom, 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 boom. But yes, hello. It is 2 quotes as usual. This is this time we are pretty much the same size. What happens if I try to change my clothes? I'm currently not using my VSF avatar that I'm using on VC face because it does not support VSF avatar currently. But if you want to be able to use VSF avatar, you'll have to go for VTuber Plus in that case, at least as of right now. Alright, things are working. My glasses are working as well, although the glasses here are different. But yeah, that works. I guess that works. Not bad. Can I? Yeah, that works. So most of the things work for me. As long as you don't have a VSF avatar and try to import a VSF avatar in, it will work for you. But what about, you ask, but what about the commands and stuff, you ask? We'll take a look at it. We have redeems, all this stuff. I am not sure how that works yet. Can I have how do I set trail? Can I do this? Confirm? Does moving my hand give me anything right now? How do I set a trail? What does flinch do? I really have no idea. How do you do something? I really have no idea. La 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 la. Is there like how do I, can I type it in Lobet? I did nothing. It didn't work. How does, wait, is this related to channel point, right? A big head. I mean, I did actually talk to the developer of this, and he did say that he'll be working on it, on the command stuff that I asked. So that's a good thing. Although we don't have a support right now, we do actually will be getting support for it. Is there a way for me to make it work? So I can't really take a look at it properly, not right now at least, because I don't have a channel point system on Twitch to be able to do that. I wanted to at least be able to draw something. Is there no way? Nope. There doesn't seem to be any way yet. Yeah, nothing seems to be here. What does this do? Yeah, we import what? Well, so I guess I'll be taking a look at it afterwards again, probably next week, maybe the week after that, when I know for sure that there's a support for this. I just did something. The good thing is that I can position this, and yeah, that works. I look a bit more reddish than I look on my screen right now, don't I? Reddish? Would you call that reddish? So yeah, I'm gonna have to take a different look after a few days. Hopefully by then we'll have the more customization for it, especially for redeems. Maybe a week or two. Probably a week or two. But basically whenever it is done, I'll take a look at it again. But oh wait, there's global hotkeys. How does global hotkeys work? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You have a global hotkey thing, but I don't know how that works. That's a readme, right? Mouse camera. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. If this does this work? Will this work? No. Is this? Am I not clicked here? Yeah, good. Bad. Okay, so will this work? Yep, there we go. So I think yeah, we can make this work. I'm gonna ask him today. I'm gonna ask the developer today if I can customize the hotkeys. I'm actually going to go through their logs and see if it's already been there. But let me just zoom it a bit out. Alright, you guys gonna see this. We're gonna test this out. The good thing is that there's a hotkey and it works. So we can make use of hotkey to redeem things. This is throw. You can throw things at me. All kinds of things, and it comes with sound. The good thing is I don't toy it, but yeah, we have quite some stuff. Ouch. Yes, that's the nice one. I can set this up. I can set the workaround up. I can make use of this. This is nice. I didn't know that there was hotkey. That's very nice. So until I get the official support for the ability to customize the thing that I talked with the developer about, I can make use of this as a workaround. Because here at Code Industries, or what I like to call Code Space, I am like working around things, making workaround. That's how I do it. That's how we do it here. We make workarounds. If there's not a way yet, we make a workaround. Just like how I made workarounds for the channel point system, which works both on YouTube and Twitch. We have a channel point system, in case you don't know, which works on both YouTube and Twitch. And so, if I do Shift F2, what is it? Ouch! So we get a bong. Can I like zoom that in a bit and do that? Boom. So you can also bonk me. Oh, it changes its location. And you can abuse me. Okay, that's enough. What is this? Headpads. Okay, this is headpads. I mean, I can actually look at all of these ones right here. It's all the way till Shift 10, but yeah. Then we have. Ooh, this is nice. This is official big head support we got here. Like currently, my big head actually revolves around kind of like this. Not really like this. Where's my big head? Alright, let me just buy my big head. Buy big head, was it? Or was it turn to baby?
Yes. Okay, there we go. So currently, my system actually changes the perspective of the 2D image. It changes the perspective of the 2D image, unlike here, where I can. Oops. But I can actually inflate my head to become big. I like this one. This is nice. Now all I need is a tiny head. Yeah. If you're looking at this sort of page, can I get a tiny head? I would like a tiny head as well. I mean, I did say that in the suggestion, but yeah, I like a tiny head. If you have a big head, you need to have a tiny head. A tiny head that can go as tiny as as an egg. So yeah, I definitely like this. I definitely like the how the head gets baked. I like it. I can definitely make use of this. Actually, I could start implementing it from next week itself. I could have some rewards and stuff, and I could make use of touch portal to work it. All I need to ensure is that I have a way to customize the hotkeys. Because I don't want to have the hotkeys on the F1 to F10. Because those hotkeys are for games, and yeah. Now I just gotta wait for my voice changer to run out, and then we could be back to talking stuff. Come on, how long is this? I don't know, 2 minutes. Hasn't it already been 2 minutes?
How? Okay, there we go. Finally. I don't really like that big head. I mean, the part where my voice changes, but I added it for the fun. But it does kind of turn. I should actually decrease the time. I should definitely decrease the time to like 1 minute or 30 seconds, something like that. So this was confetti. I can have a confetti play if we get some kind of a follow subscription kind of thing. I don't really know. What is this? What does F6 do? F5 is confetti, F6 is finger trails. Oh, okay, so like this. So yeah, you have finger trails. I'm not really sure how useful this can be, but yeah, I guess why not have a channel redeem? Because why not? Just because it doesn't make sense doesn't mean that you can't have a channel point redeem for it. Like this. Yeah, this is a bit nice, kind of nice. Definitely not something that I would want, I think, always. But sometimes it does look nice. Okay, then we have tower. This is for when you actually want to, somebody sends a bits for you. But I can make use of this for something else, because since this is hotkeyable, I don't really need to have a bits for it. I could have it be something else. And then we have hearts. The collider, yeah, the collider needs to be a bit adjusted, which I think, yeah, there's an update coming where the collider can be adjusted if I remember correctly. And let's change this. Oh, okay, yes, you can also feed me food if you see. And grab banana, fine. Pie, fine. I'll eat everything. What is this? I don't know what is this, but okay, I'll eat it as well. Banana, fine. You can first eat me. So many food. My stomach is filling up now. Banana. I don't know what this is, but I think it's potato, maybe. Is it potato? I don't know. But yes, I'm pretty much eating food right now, if you don't see. Every single time I put my hand to my face, I eat it. Just like how I eat my apple right now, and a banana as well. Okay, so what is the next one? We did spawn food. We have a drop box. If I do, oh wait, what? I thought it said drop box. When did this become a pie? I didn't know there was a pie. Ouch. Can I get a box? Thank you. Can I remove the box? I can't. No, let him. Come on. There we go. Finally out. Okay, can I? There we go. Well, so you can maybe spam boxes. Yeah, I guess you can do that. And that's a funny thing where if you do this, if you press Shift plus F10, it brings a bread for everybody, you shall now you Shift plus F10, isn't it the same as? Okay, that's a bit of an issue. It conflicts with my reset button, which is not. Where's the bread spawning from? Where did the bread just spawn and go to? I thought there was supposed to be more breads. I'm vibrating for some reason when I'm spawning breads. I am not so sure about that. I am a bit worried why I'm vibrating so much on that. Like, that's a bit of an every single time I spawn a bread, I vibrate. I guess that makes it for a fun redeem as well. I just need to find a way to have its location somewhere else. But yeah, that was BeepoBox. I would say absolutely worth trying if you have a 3D model. But although you need a Twitch, you need to have a Twitch. If you don't have Twitch, then you can't really make use of a lot of things. But yeah, that's how it will be. And what else? Where's my model? Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, so this is also not. Can I actually set it to actually zoom in slowly into my face like this? And wow, I can go inside my body. I am can I actually go inside my dad? Can I how do I, is there a way to go up? Control plus Q, Alt plus this, pan avatar, rotate, mouse this. If I press space, it's supposed to hide the UI, but it does not hide the UI. Can I guess it does not work out. Oh wait, there we go. Just need to go. Now we just whoops, right here. Can I go inside my mouth? I'm now inside myself. That's a good journey. Good journey. Very good journey. Can I go inside my eyes? Just oops, the daisy. But yeah. Let me just reset the position. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty much BeepoBox and with VRM Posing Desktop. It's a real name. I think it would be nice if it sounded VRM Pose or something like that, or VRM Desktop Pose app. But yeah, this was BeepoBox. I'll actually see and maybe implement a redeem with it next week, probably for throwing items. Yeah, when we return next week, I probably will have that. On next Wednesday, I probably will have that set up, and I can set it up right now as well. We'll see how that works out. But for now, let me just take a small break and freshen up and be back. Wait, I just saw myself and I saw the chat and I was like, what is the chat? Why is there somebody in my chat saying feed me, I'm cursed and all that? And I was like, what the fuck? And then I see that it's me, and then I see it was me saying that. But yeah, let me just go and freshen up, and I'll be back in about a moment, and then we'll check out. Wait, we don't have anything to check out, do we? We just have to make stuff. But yeah, we'll make stuff once we're done with this. Here's a fun thing. I'll definitely recommend checking BeepoBox out. It's absolutely free. If you have a 3D model, you can actually use of it. But now let me just freshen up. Let me just go and freshen up and be back in a moment, and then we'll try to make something. Okay, there we go. Back. That was fast. Nice. Let me just drink some more water and there we go. I feel good. I think I'll have to fill up my water in a bit, but yeah. So, in case you're wondering what we'll be trying next, we'll actually be trying to make a new redeem. You see these glasses? I'm gonna actually make them be a redeem as well, so you can actually buy them to the channel point and get a use them to have my glasses appear on me for a set duration. Let's keep it like 2 minutes. So yeah, I can have my glasses like so. Yeah, that sounds fun. So of course, as usual, the process will be available to go through if you're using touch portal. Let me just where's my VC face? That's the VC face, and that's the touch portal. Yeah, this is the touch portal right here. And wait, right, I need to first go to bodies. Oh no, not really. First we'll need to go to events right here, and I make use of touch portal. Touch portal is my go-to software along with streamer bot. These are the two things that I use to activate most of my things. But for the time being, we'll actually be making use of, we'll add an event. We have outfit changer, right? So we are gonna have an event called it glasses toggle, and we are gonna rename it to on chat message event set to moderator, because yes, contains changing activating course classes, putting glasses on code. I mean, it is trying to activate it, right? But I also want it in a way where if I am actually have it toggled, if I actually have this toggled, it disappears if it's toggled. If I'll have to make use of the if statement. But what should I call it? What should I call the phrase? Proceeding to toggle does not sound good. Proceeding to change, I mean, it's not really changing, it's activating or deactivating the glasses. So what can I call it? Proceed glasses. Well, I can tweak it up later. Let's just say proceeding activating close. Activating close glasses. We don't have any Q lane for it. But does my Thug Life use Q lane? Yeah, my Thug Life one is being made. Is being used. Well, let me just. In case you're wondering what Thug Life is, it's it activates this class and brings in a redeem where I become a thug for a moment. It freezes, it takes a snapshot, it sends you a snapshot. So yeah. So it's on Q lane 4. I guess we can have it on Q lane 4 as well because they're the same thing. They go on my head and I don't want them to be cured. And that will work. If statement plus else if so other values VSF classes was it is 0. Okay, you are gonna do an easy way. I've actually already done it up here. I'm just gonna copy this. Yes, I'm just gonna copy this. I'm doing the lazy fast way. So if I go here and I go back into edit, I paste this, yes, and we're just gonna have to tag this. We're just gonna tag this. I think that will probably work. I hope it works. If VSF glasses is 0, else and if. So if I change it to go back here, right, I'll have to activate this to available. Can I actually do that? Can I activate it from my chat? Yeah, Buddhism Touch Portal has this thing where unless he actually selected broadcaster himself, it won't work. So if I do this, there we go. And if I do this, there we go. That's one step done. The next step involves Buddhismo. Let me just log into Buddhismo first. So just a moment. Let me just log into Buddhismo first, and then we are then we're gonna get that done. Then we're gonna get done. Okay, there we go. Buddhismo is here. Back to scene. So this is Buddhismo, and we're gonna create a command first. Call it by glasses. We are gonna remove this everybody, and we're just gonna type something. I'm gonna copy it from the other thing. See, here's the thing. If you're doing something like this, you make sure that it's actually easy to copy paste your shit and just modify it later. Make it easy to copy yourself and then modify it a bit, change it a little. Makes it a lot more easier and less of a headache. So cost 200. Let's make it cost like 100. Wait, I'm gonna actually have to. Oh, right. I'm gonna actually have to. do that. Oopsie daisy, I forgot about that. Whoopsie daisy. Just gonna have to do that. So yeah, if you're wondering what we are trying to do, wait, can't I just do it like so? Yeah, I can do it like that. So we're just gonna fix that, and we're gonna add a timer, 2 timers, and we're gonna have them set to seconds. How long do I want this to run? I want it to run for 120 minutes, 122 minutes, so that's 120 seconds. We're gonna have them. My current electricity just went out. Okay, I'm gonna have the other one right here. So what will this do? What will this do? This will actually make it so when the redeem gets toggled, it will either remove the toggle. I mean, it will either activate or deactivate my glasses, wait for 2 minutes, and then either activate or deactivate my glasses depending on how it is. So we're gonna do that, but first we're gonna finish our work on Bodismo. Let's call this streamer username as purchased the glasses. Proceeding to right. What is the toggle name I had it? Activating codes glasses. So we're gonna name that, and we're gonna put that in our proceeding activating codes glass. Oh shit, that worried me for a moment. I thought something went out. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna has redeemed. Yeah, I'm gonna mod like make it sound better. Currently I don't know what to make it sound better with. I'm gonna keep that at 3000. We're probably gonna have the MP3 playing. I mean the GIF, but we'll remove the MP3 because that's a barrel roll MP3 that I do not want to listen to when I'm changing my glasses. But I can be fine with Nichijo's GIF, which I use. So we're gonna have that set, save. And do I want it to have a cooldown? I want it to have a cooldown, don't I? That's my tag life. Cost. I'm making use of touch portal. And I'm making use of the queue system. Well, it will work out. It will work out. What could possibly go wrong? There could possibly go no wrong. That definitely can possibly go no wrong. We're gonna have that cost is 100. So we're gonna go to a shop. Our shop is right about. For some reason, why my eyes being closed? Tracker, do your job, tracker. Come on. Why do you want to show it that my eyes are closed when my eyes are wide open? You want me to open them very hard. See, these are wide open right now. So wide open. Alright. I hope you don't mess this up, tracker. So we are gonna create a shop item. We are gonna call it glasses. We are gonna set by key to glasses, and we're gonna add a description. We're gonna add a cost of 100. We are gonna have it activated only on Twitch and YouTube. Everybody is allowed to be able to use this. We're gonna add put or remove glasses on code. I guess that works. So yeah, let's create this. And if I go here, now that that's created, I buy glasses. There we go. Now my glasses has gone off. If you just wait 2 minutes, the glasses should appear now. If you wait 2 minutes, I should probably just delay for a little bit, but currently the time is 8:03 p.m. and at 8:05 p.m. my glasses will come back on me. Let me till then drink some water, wait for it. So it should automatically come right about. How much time is that till? Okay, that's quite some time. But till then, I will just work on our next thing. What is my next thing? It's going to be related to music. You see, we already have a command called music, and when you type music, this pops up. This thing on the side or there, that pops up. You know why? Yeah, that way. That thing on up in the corner. That thing pops up when I type in music, but I also want the way to be able to output the music name onto the chat itself. So I'm gonna try to do that. I came across a plugin on Touch Portal which I just installed earlier today, and I'm gonna try to make use of that to activate the thing. Oh wait, can't I do that? Don't I have a music one already here? Oh wait, that's done to streamer bot. Oh. Well, I can probably make it work. Yeah, that can be done. But for now, let's add an event. Let's call this music display. Yeah, let's call it music display. As you can see, my specs just came back. 2 minutes later, the specs is back. And for this event, on Twitch chat, when audio source, Twitch on chat message event, we are gonna say music. It has to start with music. Anybody can use this, and we are gonna add music bay. Wait, this is stream extra. Music bay, there we go. Current. Wasn't there a way to get it current track info? Wait, is it how it is? How I think it is? Twitch chat. Send chat message. Values. If I remember correctly, that comes with its own values. For music B, does it not come with values? Okay, that it does not come with its value. Is that okay? But there we go. Current artist name. How do you actually generally show? You tell the artist name and the title, right? So if I do this, and if I go and do this, current track name, is this okay? So if I do this and click on save, and if I go to my that's my Twitch chat is right here, right next to me. I forgot about that. So if I do yes, it works. Holy shit! Nice. That's nice. It actually works. Yes, there we go. Yes, I can actually make it display. Rise. Yes, this is actually this is a good one. I just realized my music has been playing loudly all this time instead of it playing nice little. Holy shit. Well, that's one scuff. Every day we have a scuff, but today's scuff is kind of exceptional. So we're just gonna have that. I'm gonna increase the volume on my side because I like this one. This is a very good one. I like the jamming. This is such a chill music, but it also has this nice punch in it. it is a very chill yet vibing. Like, I love the beats in this. It's so nice, it's so chill, it's so calm, but it absolutely at the same time hitting a punch, like just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna vibe to this. We'll be back with our progress after we are done with vibing, but for the time being, I'm gonna vibe to this. In case you're wondering, here it is. We are gonna be vibing for the next 2 minutes or 3 minutes. This is such a good music. Should probably increase the volume on my side. Yeah, sure. Yeah, there we go. So yes, that's one way. Now if I type in music again, if I do it again, yeah, there we go. That looks wonderful. That looks so good. I just had to tweak it up a bit, but I'm very proud of how that looks, how that sounds. Very proud of that. I was kind of annoyed that it did not really display what track I was playing properly. I mean, there was no way before. Like 2 weeks ago, we developed this music system, and before that, there was no way for anybody to know what music was playing unless I went and looked into what music was playing. But now, I can do that. And there we go. It's almost at the end of the stream. End of the track, not end of the stream. I think I mentioned end of the stream instead of end of the track. Oops, my bad. There we go. That was a good one. Now let me just reset this music to down below. Alright. So, there we go. So what was I trying to do? Yeah. I had a Monstercat. I'm gonna have to disable myself because I'll have to log into Monstercat and it contains some information that I would rather not share. So let me just go into Monstercat and let me see how they're displaying their things. What's the settings? If I say this and let me just play some music. I don't. Will it pop up in the chat? I don't think it will pop up in chat. Will it pop up in chat? I'm trying to play a music on Monstercat's player, and I'm hoping that it will pop up and auto say. There we go. If I do this, and if I go back and if I try to do this, will it work? Will it work? Alright, do I have to actually enable it like this? Okay, what if I try to do it this way? Because I am just trying to copy their format. There we go. Current song. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's so better. Alright. I'm gonna copy that format. I'm gonna copy this format right here, and you know what? Let's go back to touch portal. Let's go back to the scene. Where is my scene? There we go. So I'm gonna clear this. Now playing. I'm just gonna say it now playing because I don't really want to say current song. Current song playing. I mean, current song does actually sound good. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna add touch portal music be current track name, and then we're gonna add music be current artist name, and we're gonna save this. And if I do this once more, there we go. There we go. Wonderful. It works nicely. Very nicely. Can I actually customize this anymore? What other stats will I get if I do it like this? We have volume artist track image. How does the track image work? Where do you output the track image to anyways? Is it a text file? How do you? I don't know. I'm not gonna try it right now. Do we have any other way? Windows audio, not really. Streamer bot. Well, I guess that's about it. That works. So whenever you type music, here we go. It's called Searchlight by Ellipsis and Brandon Mignacca. There we go. Works flawlessly. There we go. Absolutely flawless. So yeah, that was. We did what? One redeem. I looked over 2 apps, and I looked over a redeem. Yeah, I looked at 2 apps. I made a new redeem. I reworked the music, so now that we get a music, now that we also get an output to what music currently is playing, which is absolutely nice. Honestly speaking, I think migrating to music was worth it from Groove. I get all these new features that I could not explore before. For some reason, I forgot what the word was for the moment. So moving on. Let me just log into Botismo. What is Botismo? There we go. Let me just drink some water before we log into Botismo. Alright. Here's something I'm going to create. Not a shop item, it's going to be just a fun item. So whenever somebody asks me, are you winning? I will say no. If I remember correctly, I had a pick there we go. If I add this, so create command pick are you winning? This is a text you must type in chat to separate my Are you winning? Code. Shall I pick? Yes, he is. No, he fucking sucks. Wait. Who are you to ask? If you have any other funny phrases, why not tell me? Who are you to ask how my lord is doing? Why not? Why not? Why not have something? Something like this. And let's remove this. Let's send it to everyone. Then it's not going to be a public one. It will only happen when somebody asks me that. Match globally anywhere in the message. Yes. So if I go back to my chat and type, are you winning? Are you winning code? There we go. There we go. Now, sir, now if anybody ever asks if I'm winning or not, they get an automated response from a bot. Of course, if anybody wants to do, what do you say? If anybody wants to like do it, give me more ideas for new phrases, then yeah, you can do it. As for the thing, yeah, I think we're pretty much at the end of it. I ended up doing all the things that I actually planned to do, and now I'm out of ideas. I'm actually out of ideas for once, because I actually ended up doing all the things that I planned to do today. I ended up doing every single thing. Like, I did the music. I thought it was going to take more time, but it was like 5 minutes of work, 2 minutes of work for this thing. I thought this was going to be 5 minutes of at least, but nope, it was 2 minutes of work. The music was 5 minutes of work. The redeem took 3 minutes of work, and we are now here, and I'm without anything right now. So yeah, what do I do? I don't know. I don't know what to do right now because I pretty much covered all the things I want to do. I guess I could work on the thumbnails for next week, but should I? I mean, we have like 40 minutes till 9 p.m. and I generated to end my stream at 9 p.m. So I guess we can do that. Yeah, I guess we can do that. Let me just go into the chat screen and I download the thing in the meanwhile. Yeah, I'm just going to download the things in the meanwhile, and then once my things are ready, we will go back to doing the work. Speaking of doing the work, I actually managed to finish work, or not really finish, but I have actually done great progress with my MMT video. Lots of great progress was done today, and I'm quite happy with it. I'm quite happy with it. I'm quite happy with how that is. Hopefully I can get it out by next week. But for now, I need to find a screenshot. I mean, a shot for next week. Yeah. Let me just find a shot for next week. La 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 la. What I find a shot, and the shots take a bit of a time to find because yes, I'm just gonna need to find a good shot that I like and that I can modify a bit, and we'll be good to go. But it is provided I actually find a shot. I mean, these shots are not bad. They're actually pretty good. You know what? I think I'm gonna go with this one. Yep. Download this, and I mean, I could plaster my face on a lot of these photos, on a lot of these things, but at the same time, it's kind of a charm to be able to just edit and plaster the logo behind and separate the character from the thing and plaster the logo behind it. It has its own charm. It has its own charm and sting. But right now, I am trying to. Ooh. Ooh. Well, so there's quite some good shots, but I think I know what to pick for this one. It's gonna be a bit desert themed. Let's hope that I actually get into desert matches in the next week. Let us hope that I actually get into matches for the next week. But yeah, we're downloading this, and I think I need one from Battlefield 5. As for next Saturday, we are gonna have something special next Saturday. I don't know if anybody knows what is next Saturday, but you'll find out. If you don't, you'll find out. Right now, I am trying to look for I'm trying to look for a low shot that is good, but so there's a lot more screenshots here. That is going to be. This is from the official dice store, so yes, I'm gonna have to actually plaster my face on one of these then. Doesn't look like there's a shot where I don't need to plaster my face. I can actually go and use an old shot that I've already made use of, but I actually want every single stream to have its own thumbnail, separate thumbnail that is not a repeat of the previous one or of any of the previous one until next year. Why? Because why not? Yeah, so basically I'm gonna have to do some plastering of my face on one of the things, but for the time being we'll just do Battlefield 1 once thumbnails. But before that I need to actually launch the thumbnail editor. We're gonna launch the thumbnail editor and start working on it. But yeah, that's nice. Pretty much all my work got done, which is kind of weird. Feels weird when my work get done and then you start doing the other work that you actually didn't have planned to do. But it is what it is. So, is the editor on? There we go. Now I just gonna have to switch back to the... Oh wait, before I switch that to that, I will actually have to bring in these two, paste this here, copy the name from here and paste this here, name it 17, then I copy this from here, copy here and name it 16. Alright, and we are gonna bring both of these. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. I can now show you the screen again. There you go. Oh wait, that's the wrong spot. There we go. So yeah, we're gonna work on it. What we're gonna do is take these, what's this, and these, and turn them into these, where the logo is behind the character. I basically do my editing this way. This is how I do things. I mean, I could just plaster a logo on. Hey, isn't that a simple process? Just remove the logo from the thing. But I feel like separating the character out from the background gives it a bit more of a depth. Than I'll probably have erasing it. Because this feels like it goes right behind him. But if I actually erase the logo and made it feel like it, I don't think it will look that same. It could possibly, but yes, how I like to do things. So we're just gonna code this. We are gonna copy this and we're gonna copy this. We're gonna put that in here and we're gonna put this in here. We're gonna group these and we're gonna group this. Control plus G if you is affinity worth it? If you are wondering, I would say yes. It is worth it. It is absolutely worth the price. It is such a useful tool. It's kind of overrated as well. What is this? Oh, that's why. There you go. Disable that. Now we select the refine selection tool and we're gonna select this entire character. Our entire character. Oh my god, he's a low pixel. I thought he was high pixel, but he's not that high pixel as I thought he was. It is what it is. Not like I'm in like 1000 zoom here, so that kind of makes sense. So we're gonna do that. Nice and clean, nice and clean. We're gonna do that. Sometimes is my stream flickering? Was it my screen? That's a bit of a issue. I hope that's just my screen and not the stream itself getting flickering as well. I hope so. Would be quite something. Then again, it's all scuff. Would be the scuff. Let me just do this like this. Yeah, we're going to actually refine it a bit later, but for the time being, we're actually trying to just grab every single thing we can. Is there something that's causing an issue with the capture? Should I close this? Is there anything else I need to close? Should I close something else? Yeah, I guess I can close this. Does it? No, it doesn't help. Oh, wait. Compared to previous time, I actually updated the affinity thing. Oh, it's because of that, isn't it? Yeah, it is. One of the update fucking ruined it, isn't it? It probably did. It is what it is. It is what it is. So we're gonna have a nice selection, right? So that is a bit of a lag. How much is the usage? Not that bad. And we're gonna have this. I think I want to put this on Wednesday. Sorry, I mean on Thursday. Yeah, I'll use this thumbnail for Thursday and I'll use the other one for Friday. Yes, in case you're wondering, I do actually stream Battlefield 5 and 1, Battlefield 1 every Thursday and Friday. Wait, is it Battlefield 1 or Battlefield 5? Battlefield 1 every Thursday and Friday, Battlefield 5 every Wednesday. Every Wednesday. That's the time slot. That's how we do this. Okay, I'm gonna have to bring the brush to a smaller size, like so. Like so. There we go. There we go. I hope everybody enjoyed the showcase that I showed. I hope the apps were useful for you. I hope the apps were actually useful. I am looking forward to what else we are gonna get in the future. Because I do enjoy looking into apps, looking into technology, looking into all kinds of stuff. Because it's fun to discover and explore new things. It's always fun to find something new to explore and something to do. And if anybody wants a review of the things or a comparison chart, let me know. Maybe I might consider making it. I do of course have another channel dedicated just to making stuff that is helpful for VTubers and streamers, although I haven't posted any content in there for like 3 months now because I have had no time. But if I get the time, I can definitely make a detailed video on what features have what things and whatnot, comparison things. Wrong. No, not like that. Oh, maybe one. Oh, get it might just work in my favor. There we go. It's a bit too wide. Gonna have to do a bit. like so. Gonna have to do this bit like so. I'm gonna have to do it like so. And like so. Why is there more trees here? There we go. I hate trees. It's gonna feel how I can recognize trees from just a pixel now. Like literally, I'm looking into a pixel and I can already guess it's a tree. It's just. And again, I've been editing like for over a year now, doing all these kinds of stuff. So I guess I have become used to it. Oops. There we go. So is that shoe like that? Yeah, that's the shoe like that. This is the. I mean, somebody will tell me to do the shadows as well, but no, thank you. No, thank you. I will lose my sanity if I try to do the shadows as well. I did no, thank you. Ah, that looks good. Now I just need to get rid of this thing, right? So, probably this line as well. Some might be saying that I'm doing it the hard way, but it is what it is. It is what it is. And I have to do this. Whoopsie daisy. There we go. Okay, never mind. Looks good. Looks good. Kind of. There we go. Why do I feel so thirsty today? Damn, my water's almost over. Will it survive till 9 PM? We still are like. I hope it survives. I don't want to get off of my chair and go and grab water again. And I just went out and to freshen up and I'm back. So yeah. Today we'll be chilling, don't we? I like this kind of streams to just chill and do nothing. To just be able to chill, work on stuff from behind the scenes that I otherwise don't get the time to do. Like seriously, I really wish I had more time in my thing. It is what it is. Now I just need to create this gap. And close this, do this. Alright, there we go. Is that a gap? Yeah, that's a gap. And we're gonna need to do this. I don't wonder how my karaoke sounded before, because here's the thing, I recently ended up becoming interested into singing again, and I never really asked anybody how my karaoke was back then. Like I lost my confidence because I felt like it sounded bad, and I never decided to do it again. But I also never asked anybody how it actually sounded. So I do wonder how it sounded. Was it actually good? Was it just me saying no, I sound bad? Was it just like that? I don't know. Not yet, at least. One day maybe I'll know. I don't know. Anyway, there we go. Okay, that looks good. I think that's pretty much it. Let us refine. Remove this border width. And we're good now. Ooh, that looks nice. I mean, there's some little bit of whiteness. It's not as smooth as what you'll actually see, but nobody's gonna notice that. Yeah, definitely nobody's gonna notice that. I think, I hope. I just need to do this, bring this in, and there we go. Looks as good as new. Looks good as new. So yeah, that was it. I should still had it? I should open up my thumbnails and go to BF1, and I should also open this. All right. There we go. So this is where I keep my backups for every single thumbnail I actually make, and it does seem to cause a little bit of lag, but yeah, that's totally fine. Basically, here's what happens, right? I go to this, I copy this, I come here, I paste this, done. We'll name this Battlefield 1 17. I believe we have already done 17 streams have been done since I started, I think. Was it since I started? Or is this... I don't think this is from the start, is this? Yeah, this is from the start. This is from when I actually started streaming Battlefield 1, so it's already been 17 streams. I mean 16 streams, but still almost the same thing. My eyes really don't like being back to well today. What if I remove my glasses? Yeah, it's my glasses that's causing the tracking issue. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to... Yeah, I don't really have a stand. Why do I keep saying yeah? But so yeah. Wow, I just said why am I keep saying yeah, and I just said yeah again. Wow. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna paste this here. We're gonna put this under this curve. This is of course designed by myself and nobody else. I have designed this thumbnail myself. I mean the border and all the stuff. This little detail as well. I don't think anybody even notices this little detail on how does this shadow right here. I don't think anybody notices that. But yeah, that's all these details. This is a detail. Small details, small touches. It's a brand. I'm a brand. I mean, kind of. If you notice my thumbnail, you instantly get the feel that it is of course me. This is code. You will understand. You see this red to golden yellow color transversal. You'll see this design. You'll see the logo, and you'll of course get it that this is it's code. It's that code. It's that code. Who plays Battlefield? Who does not play that? Who does nothing but play Battlefield? So we're gonna save this as Battlefield 1. Yeah. That's how to actually enjoy playing Battlefield. Battlefield was like one of my first games, multiplayer games. I played CSGO. Half-Life was also part of it. So it is. Battlefield is not my first game. I played CSGO, I played Half-Life, but they were... Was Half-Life actually was Half-Life multiplayer like CSGO? Or did it have like true multiplayer, like you have multiple teams, so 2 teams with 16 people, 16 players or 8 players on each side of the team? Was it like how it is? Or was it just squad based? I don't really remember. I remember I was playing Half-Life 2 in the Cyber Cafe back then, but that's about it. I remember playing CS in LAN, CS 1.6 in through internet. Yeah, but I think Battlefield was my true multiplayer experience, where I was actually playing on a server with not just 10 people but 60 people, 64 people. Was it 64 people, or was it capacity even higher? I think the capacity was even higher on that. It was a custom server, because by the time I got into Battlefield 1942 to be specific, by the time I got into Battlefield 1942, they actually had shut down the servers, and so only community servers were being run, and I was in one of them. And I don't remember how I got into it. I don't actually remember how I actually got into Battlefield. Wow. But I was in that. The next moment I get in, I was in Battlefield, and I absolutely enjoyed that game. Like, I would like spend about 4 to 7 hours in a single day playing just the game. That's what I used to do. Just playing that game, multiplayer, doing round after round, flying planes, driving the ships around. And driving jeeps, driving tanks, destroying others, getting bombarded, being a sniper. Speaking of which, I feel like the 1942 maps were very big. They were very big, weren't they? It took you several moments to reach from one city to another. How big was the maps for 1942? I don't actually Google that. But it definitely feels it was bigger than what I play in Battlefield 5 and then what I get in Battlefield 5 and 1. It definitely feels much bigger. Or maybe it was because there was a lot of open space. There's also this jank in Battlefield 1942. There's this time where there was this map where you could actually go into either people spawn, and yeah, you could actually spawn camp people in Battlefield 1942. I don't know if it was the part of the game or if it was modified by the community, but you could actually go to the airstrip of the enemy, especially in that map. It was especially in the map, I don't remember which map it was, but you could go into the airstrip of the enemy and like plant the mines, and nobody will notice it. People will try it, like I just noticed that our team will actually try to fly planes, and the next moment the planes are actually destroyed. It was so hilarious. I enjoy Battlefield. The amount of differences it gives is absolutely staggering. You get ships, you get helicopters, you get boats, you get whatever. You can do anything. It's like a sandbox, but not a sandbox as well. It's a really fun game. It's such a fun game. So here's how I would want this to be. What? Why is this? I'm just gonna duplicate this. So I don't think I need that horse. So we can do that. I'm gonna refine this horseman right here. To be honest, I can probably plaster my face here. Just need to add some dirt and grit and voila, that's my face. Be sure to check out Jason and Supreme X11. Both of these are amazing screenshot takers for Battlefield, and I pretty much choose their screenshots. If you are wondering where I get all these screenshots from, it's from them. Every single screenshot for Battlefield 1 has been from pretty much them. They're absolutely amazing at this and definitely deserve a lot more support. Like, they take absolutely stunning shots. Very stunning shots. No, you don't. I don't need you. There you go. Why did they select this thing? Enjoy Battlefield 1. Battlefield 5 is also good, but Battlefield 1 has this. The time really goes by in Battlefield 1. You don't realize it. The next moment, there's so much time gone by in Battlefield 1. But in Battlefield 5, sometimes it feels like, oh man, I want to just stop playing this. How long is this match going to run for, kind of thing. I don't think I actually have that in Battlefield 1. Unless the server is almost empty, then it really starts to annoy me like that. But otherwise, guys, it's an absolutely nice, challenging game. Okay, there we go. Oh, speaking of which, since I was showing touch port anyways, to anybody who actually ever comes across the stream and jumps into this section, which I doubt many will do, you can actually have your Twitter username get automatically changed depending on when you're streaming or when you're not streaming. You can have one for this. So when OBS is streaming, or when you hit stream on your OBS or Streamlabs OBS, I don't really know Streamlabs OBS. I don't even use Streamlabs OBS, so if I don't know if they support it. If they support it. Oh, they do. On streaming state. So yeah. So you'll have to set when streaming state is and change your name to live.sunherah code, and there you go. When your stream ended, when OBS stops streaming, it will change this to normal name, and this way you just have to automate the process and you're done. Thanks for Farmit for the idea. I just modified it and didn't need Streamdeck. Like seriously, yeah, people really need to stop telling people to buy Streamdeck. It really boggles my mind how people will pay so much for the gear when there's actually good affordable gear that you don't need, that you can buy, which is affordable. Like Touch Portal is like $12, and that's for Pro. You can run it on your phone, you can run it on your Android, and you'll be done with it. I mean, Elgato does give you the Elgato ecosystem. Streamdeck does come into the Elgato's ecosystem, but seriously though, the price is insane. I really don't get why everybody wants to buy Streamdeck, recommend the Streamdeck. Like what? Seriously, for $200 for that, you can buy a tablet. A tablet is more useful than Streamdeck. Put a touch portal on it. It does the same thing as a Streamdeck. And voila, you can control it nicely. You get to you can customize it to how many keys you want. Like just look at this. Let's look at this. So many keys, and this is from my tablet. If I go to my phone, it could actually easily run. It could run easily 20 keys. 24, 4, 5, 5. That's 4, 5, 20, 24, 26 keys. It could do 26 keys. My phone could do 26 keys in it. I could easily press 26 keys without having any issues. That's how many keys you get. How much history the Streamdeck gave you? It gives you 18, if I remember correctly. It gives you 18 fancy keys. But you get a lot of pages. Of course, you also get pages with this. And yes, I am absolutely a bit salty with Elgato products because they're absolutely expensive. I really don't get why people waste so much money on that. Yes, you don't really need to. Every single video I watch, they will recommend a Streamdeck. Like there's no other alternative. It boggles my mind so much. It's such an expensive hardware. You don't. If it was the only thing in the market, I would understand. But for some reason, nobody seems to realize that there are alternatives in the market now that are absolutely cheaper than a Streamdeck. Yes, I'm pretty much ranting, but it's kind of really annoying that whenever I watch a video for an idea, it turns out they have to have a Streamdeck. They recommend a Streamdeck. Like what? Do you even understand the cost of a Streamdeck? It's $200 or whatever, $150, whatever it is. But it's more than $100. It's 10 times or 15 times more the price of Touch Portal. It boggles my mind that people are willing to pay that much money for such a thing. Yeah, I get it, but you have good alternatives now. It's not like in the start of the streaming era when Streamdeck was the only option. There's so many things. But yeah, people for some reason really want to keep suggesting Streamdeck. Again, it's a good thing, but come on. The price is so goddamn horrendous, and they don't even sell it across the entire world. Like I can't buy an Elgato Streamdeck right here officially. They don't sell it. They just don't. It's just an exclusive thing for just, I think, what, few countries, few regions. That's about it. If you live in, if you don't live in any of those regions, then good luck trying to get a Steam Deck for a good reasonable price, which is not absolutely blown over the portions by the sellers who see such profit. Because yeah. Can I not? Okay, there we go. Yes, this has become a bit of a rant, but it is what it is. It just bothers me so much that people keep recommending Steam Deck again and again and again. And they say it's worth it. Like it's like it costs it costs nothing, like it costs penny. That boggles my mind more than anything. That people think it's that worth it. But yes, that is how it is. That is how it is. Some may say that I have a very unpopular opinion, but I would like to say that this should be the popular opinion because they don't sell it anywhere. They don't sell it except for special regions or specific regions, not special. Oh shit, that's a lot of air. Fuck. Like, if you ever ask me, will I ever get a Streamdeck? Would I want to upgrade to Streamdeck? I would say no. There's no way. There's no way for anyone to tell me to jump to Streamdeck out of every single thing. Unless I'm getting paid in thousands or maybe millions, I'll definitely not jump to Streamdeck. Or unless something ends up happening in Touchboard, then I have no other choice. But yeah. That looks good. Just clean this up. This is a stone, yeah. Yeah, that looks good. Did I already play that music? Oh, we are already back in the first track of the thing. Understandable. We find this. Matte edges, border width, and we're gonna new layer with mask, and there we go. We're gonna do this, put this, and put this. There we go. Look at it, so clean, so good looking. Copy this, paste this into here. Copy this into here, and we're gonna delete the old one. Get what? Oh, oops. And we're gonna paste this one here. Name this Battlefield 118. Save this, close this, and we are gonna export this. Yeah. Extra, yes, extra. Okay, I think we're good. Yep. Close this. And we're gonna save this. Okay, let me just delete this. Guys, I become a very bit of a passionate against Streamdeck. But it is what it is. Let me just drink some water. Alright, you know the deal. We know the deal. The stream's coming to an end now, and I've done my work. I've done my work. We have done what? We looked into BeepoBox. We looked into VRM Posing Desktop. We reworked we didn't really rework, we updated the music system that I use so that now it outputs a text message whenever you type music. And we also made thumbnails. I made some fun commands on Bodysmo, and we made a new trigger So yeah, this pretty much been it. Let me just jump back to this. Let me close the things and this and this. So we're now going to be playing my favorite track, and now we are reaching the end of the stream. I'll be seeing, well, I'm not really ending right now. It's going to still run for like 6 minutes because we are going to play this track 2 times. If you don't know why we played 2 times, it's because I like it 2 times. I like it 2 times. Is there anything wrong with liking it 2 times? No, there is not. Now we just wipe to the music. I need to do that setup as well. Let's see if I can get this done over this weekend. But first I need to finish the MMD video that I have. I'm gonna change my eyes. I'm gonna remove my glasses. There we go. Oh, I guess I can do that. For you. Everybody. Okay, my hand hurts. Never mind. My hand hurts. Why do I trying to do that? Never. I love this music. This is such a good hype music. It's such a good hype music. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Will you ever try? Will you ever try? Will you ever try to rescue me? Will you ever try? Will you ever try to rescue me? Will you ever try to rescue me? I don't wanna see you go. This is a dance surrounding me. It's good for you. Here comes my favorite part of the song. There we go. I'll do this beat. It looks so good. I will not get bored of this beat. This is the best part of this music. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Try to rescue me. And now for one final turn. Oh wait, it still has 20 seconds more to go. It still has 20 seconds more to go. Dun, dun, dun. Hello Ginger, hello, how you doing Ginger? How you doing on this fine Saturday? We are just vibing to the street. The music. Wait, where's my music? Yeah, there we go. We're just vibing to the music right now, and yeah, how you doing? How you doing? Finished working a lot of new things. I'm willing the asteroid. Is anybody out there? Simply decide to eat or avoid. Tell up and size with. You ever try to rescue me? It was a fun stream. I learned a lot. I'm glad to hear that you were able to learn a lot. Thank you very much. I'm glad to hear that you had your fun and you were able to learn a lot. Absolutely glad. So this will be the final track. This will be the final track for the day, and then I'll be seeing you all on Wednesday with Battlefield 5. But yes, here is the track. It has been an absolutely fun day. We did a lot of work, and I can't wait to do more work. This is the final music, final thing. see you next time. Yes, I'll see you next stream. Thank you, Ginger, for dropping by and sticking around. I'm absolutely glad. I'll see you later then. Once this pack is done, we'll be proceeding to rate Cola. You know it. If you're on Twitch, come join me on Twitch and we'll go to rate Cola. Dun, 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 dun. But I mean, we still have like 2 minutes to go till the music ends, and yeah, let's hope that I don't have to raid it on a time. Yeah, that timer is going out very fast. That timer is going out very fast. I'm kind of worried right now. I think I hit raid button early. But yeah, thank you everybody for dropping by. It has been a fun day. I had covered a lot of the things. If you just came into the stream right now, you can actually go back in time and see all the things I did. I covered VRM desktop pose. I covered BeepoBox. I also made some new stuff. You can all find it on the board, which will be available once we are done with this stream. But anyways, until then, I hope you'll all have a great day, great evening, great afternoon, great night. I'll be seeing you all on Wednesday with Battlefield 5. And once this music is done, we'll be raiding Cola. Once again, thank you everybody. I hope you all enjoyed it. And dun, 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 dun. So yeah, there we go. All right, this has been it. I'll now be proceeding to raid Cola, and thank you everybody for dropping by. I'll be seeing you all well, not tomorrow, it's on Wednesday. So bye. Until then, I hope you'll have a great day, great evening, great afternoon, and a great night. I will be signing off for the weekend. Until then, bye. Is that like ended yet? All right, there we go. 3, 2, and 1. What? Wait, what? Okay, there we go. 1. Bye.